She really said that?
Yes, and I believed her. I'm really sorry for treating you badly, Cherry.
Like I said, it's behind us now. As for Lizzie, I wish I could teach her a lesson.
Cherry, I would like you to go to Pinamex Station and help Lizzie double-head a goods train and take it to Wofford Station. It's heavy, so that's why I need 2 engines.
Will do, sir.
There you are. Where have you been? I've been waiting so long for you.
You do realize it's a long way to get there, right? Besides, I know the line. I'll lead.
No, I'll lead. I can't get my train to the station on time if you're blocking my view.
Suit yourself. Never mind the view. Look at the track.
Look, I don't care. Hurry up and get coupled to the train. We'll be late.
I wish he wasn't so aggressive and impatient. Like I said before, Lizzie, remember to look at the track. Never mind the view.
I know what I'm doing.
Remember, look at the track. Look at the track.
I understood you the first time. Stop telling me what to do. You're being persnickety right now.
Hey, Lizzie, can I tell you something?
What would that be?
So I know what you said to Cale, and I want you to know, you do realize that was wrong, right?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You told Cale and made him accuse me of replacing him. Cale and I got into an argument because of you.
I would never do such a thing. If I'm correct, someone else told Cale that information, not me.
Cut the act. I know it was you. As far as I know, no one else would do such a thing other than you.
Well, that's not true.
Well, are you proud of the fact that you nearly got Cale and I into serious trouble? You're such an aggressive troublemaker.
I'm no troublemaker. If anyone is, it's you.
How? I'm only trying to help explain what you did was wrong, and here you are denying it and acting like I'm in the wrong. I've done nothing wrong since I arrived on this railway. I've been following the rules.
Here we go.
I'm telling the truth, Cherry. I didn't. I'm not lying to you. I'm serious when I say I didn't do it.
Stop denying it! Cale told me everything. I did not mishear him say that you said I was going to take over Cale's work.
For the last time, stop blaming me for this. I did nothing wrong.
Wait, Lizzie. I think we need to stop now.
Why is that? Uh-oh. Ow!
To be fair, it serves you right for messing with me.
To be honest, Lizzie, you did bring this on yourself.
I don't care.
I'm sorry to disturb, but, are you Vandal?
Huh? Who are you?
My name's Gus. What's your name? If I, dare ask.
Hello. I'm Lizzie.
Who are you talking to?
An old engine that's in this shed.
I am not even that old, love.
Elizabeth, that is enough.
Ahem. You mean Lizzie?
It's the same thing.
Who cares?
Lizzie, you really gotta start controlling your temper. Now let Gus explain why he's here, okay?
Fine.
Thank you. Anyway, I was left there as Wilfred was separated from the rest of the railway until the expansion, and I was eventually left here, gathering dust.
Oh, I see. Well, we can get you out of here if you want.
Huh. Trust me, anything's better than staying in this old shed for much longer. Thank you.
Sure, I guess.
That's enough. After we get Gus to Miss Atana, I'm asking for a reassignment. This has been tormenting me driving you. Would you like a new driver, Gus?
Yes, please.
Then who will be my driver?
Someone who could deal with your massive ego. Now shut it.
Why do I even bother?